So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you the Sony Smart KD-32W830K. So this is the model with the waterfall, the clearer colors in the screen. So this is the box of it. So it has a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels and 50 GHz panel refresh rate, dynamic contrast enhancer feature, and also had X Reality Pro picture and processor Motion Flow XR240. So the year model of this is 2022. So we're opening the box, opening with the tape. So this is the inside. First of all, we're unboxing it. The remote and the stand. So that's the first what will be open in it. Then we're testing the TV with the remote and the adapter with the adapter of it. And then this is the back side, the AV, and then the brochure, AV, HDMI, and the other side is the USB. Okay, this is Sony TV. It's opening. It's the open button and with the remote. So it's gonna open the Google TV. This is the Google TV. It's presenting the Google TV. So this is already Bravia. So that's the opening, and we're going to open with the remote and English for the language. Then the country of your region. So mine is Philippines. And the entertainment. So let us set up first in basic TV since there is no internet connection and Wi-Fi. I'm just using a hotspot, mobile hotspot here, so there, and then accept, then the privacy policy of the Sony TV, then you should agree with it. Then the voice recognition, and this says a voice recognition, so you should press the voice assistant with the minus of the volume button. So he's teaching me how to use this TV. So voice assistant with the minus button, and then click the same with the voice assistant, and it's activating. So that in the remote, in the left side beside the power button, the lights, it's the voice command, so you can speak there. So it's searching channels, but since we don't have signal, we're going to exit this. So are you sure when the auto program complete? Apple AirPlay setup complete. Wait. So this is you are going to Netflix, YouTube, music, and then help, then go to settings, and we're going to have the Google TV. So I should log in my account, set up Google TV, and loading, and then connect your Wi-Fi. You should connect. So connect the Wi-Fi. So this is the password of the Wi-Fi. Please subscribe and follow my channel for more updates. Then next is connected. So just wait for a minute, and this is already loading. And next is the Google account. So we're fast forwarding this because it took much time and I cannot show my password and Google account. So you should log in your Google account before you use the TV. You use the YouTube, you use the apps or Play Store and everything. This is, you should accept the terms and conditions of this Google. So accepting, loading, and then sign up, and no thanks. So this is it. Google Assistant, you should continue it for setting up. And so this is choose your subscription. You should choose confirm and accept the privacy policy again. So scrolling down and agree. Voice recognition, no, and then setup complete. So it's installing the apps. So due to internet connection issues, we'll install it later. So this is the YouTube, and we're testing it, the sounds of this YouTube video. So we're searching, what will I search? Maybe, okay, free, no copyright background music. So I'll send this a sample. So searching the background music copyright. Okay, it's there, it's in the results, and that's heard. And because I want more to test the speakers, I want a rock song. So rock. So I choose to have the rock song, and let's test. Okay. Okay, this is it, the rock workout song. 1, 2, 3, go. So testing it, it's very nice, the sound for a 32-inch. It doesn't have more specs, but it's better way than before TV. So it's one of the best, only one of the best sounds because of its features. So let's test it in short films. So short films, whether it's action, whether it's drama. So I'm first going to test it with the drama film, which is called The Rich. So just wait for the search button in English language.
It by today 4:30 40.
You need to understand, Rachika. I can't afford time while editing your reports.
It's like a cinema sound, right? So if you watch it in an inner house, it will have the cinema sound on it. So it has new features than the before, and this is one of the latest model of 2022.
Report to command. And that's the backup plan.
In action field, it's really the best. And next is we're going to try the Sony colors, if it's okay. So we're installing, okay, the installation again. So it's updating. So we'll try the YouTube again, going back to the Sony TV. And overall, it works smoothly. It's really, really smoothly. Once you have the left button, it's gonna automatically going to the left, right, forward, backward. Yeah, it's really, really fast. The interface is really, really fast. Okay, this is it. Hello.
Resolution of 1920 by 1080. It will take you to another world.
It has a clearer interface. So this is channel. So if you have a signal, you can set up this channel lineup. But we're using already TV box here in our country, so we don't need the signal. Okay, back in YouTube music. So trying again a free music background. So testing it, and free music background. So we're trying again a new music. So this is not copyright. This is free by Liquid. So let's test it out. Okay, ready, set, go. Trying the Netflix. So overall the music is really beautiful and affordable for 32 inches. Logging in the Netflix. So anyway, this is a Google TV again. Netflix. So trying the Netflix here in the Sony TV 32 inches. Okay, so next is the Netflix.
Got you, Private.
Sector is all clear.
Command post Tom Fox 7, what's your status?
The Google Assistant here. Can you search I wanna dance with somebody?